What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing to this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In this video I want to solve this trigonometric equation, which is root 3 tan theta minus 1 equals to 0, and we need to solve theta when it is between 0 and 2 pi. The first thing I want to do, I want to isolate tan theta, which will be root 3 tan theta equals to 1 when you move negative 1 to the right hand side, and then we divide both sides by root 3. It's going to be 1 over root 3. We know tan pi over 6 equals to 1 over root 3, so it means that one of the answer is pi over 3. And what is going to be the second answer? The second answer, we need to use cast rule. We know tan function is positive in quadrant 1 and also in quadrant 3. So here we have pi over 6, the first answer, and the second answer is going to be pi plus pi over 6. So one answer is pi over 6, the other one is going to be pi plus pi over 6, which will be 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi over 6. So these have two answers, pi over 6 and 7 pi over 6, which will be, in terms of degrees, will be 30 degrees, and 180 plus 30 is going to be 210 degrees. So these are the two possible answers to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave some related playlists in the description in case you need extra help. You can take a look to the description part. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of other videos regarding trigonometric equations and other topics in math and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.